Hello and welcome back. My name is Shivkanya. I have been training the Ielts candidates for 10 years now. In this class, I provide the reading and listening practice. Along with the tips and tricks, I teach them how to build up the regular reading and listening skills. As far as writing is concerned, I always give a detailed feedback on every piece of writing. The candidates improve their writing through such an analytical feedback and score 7+ bands. I also focus on the speaking skills of the candidates. The continuous practice and feedback help them a lot to speak confidently, not only for the examination but in real life situations as well. They achieve, in a way, the life skill. Sometimes the candidates do a self practice and send their videos. I listen to them very carefully and give them a detailed feedback. You will watch such a video now. You can give your feedback in the comment section to the candidate. Let's listen to Mrunmayee. She is covering parts 2 and 3 of the Ielts examination. Here we go.
Today's topic is art. Describe a piece of art you like. A piece of art I like is dancing. When I saw it for the first time when I was kid, in very early age, I saw many people dancing on dance shows, on dance reality shows, or in public events, in cultural or festival programs. In most of the TV shows has the dancing. What you know about it? There are a lot of types of dances. In specifically in India, there are a lot of regions, different cultures, and every dance represent every culture. Every state has its own dance performance, cultural dance and folk dances. There is classical types like Kathak, Bharatanatyam. There are total 8 type of dances, classical dances. Apart from it, there are a lot of dances overall world like samba, zumba, salsa, ball dance, belly dance, and dances are the type of art through which we can tell a lot of stories. It is a kind of a language. You don't need to speak with using your mouth. You can just explain it through your expressions, through your hands, using your body. I like dance because dance consists of a lot of things. Like to dance you need a lot of energy. You need good health and stamina. The costumes in dance, there are with every type of dance they use different kind of costumes. There are a lot of colors used in costumes. Like in Bharatanatyam they use anarkali dresses. In Bharatanatyam they use saris. In folk Gujarati and Rajasthani dances they use ghagras and lehengas. In Punjab the folk dance is called bhangra. They have their different folk music and costume. In Maharashtra there are a lot of folk dances. With Rajasthani dances they use ghagras and lehengas. In Punjab the folk dance is called bhangra. They have their different folk music and costume. In Maharashtra there are a lot of folk dances with different kinds of costumes. In samba or belly dance there are different costumes. Dance is also known as also has we can use as exercise like Zumba. Zumba is used. Most of the gyms nowadays have Zumba classes for all the type of like girls and boys. Both of them can do dance. There is no specific gender biasness in dance. Girls can do all types of dances and boys can also perform all types of dances. But the main thing which I like about dances, it is expressions used in dance. You can really speak without using words, or you can tell a story with your expressions and hand movements and leg movements, and all the different dance forms represent their own culture. I like dance form of art, and there are a lot of traditional art forms in India, in my country, like painting, embroidery, dancing, music, folk dances is differs from state to state and culture to culture. There are fulkari, embroidery, and hand weaving, like bandhani type of embroidery in textile industry. In dance, there are bhangra, Kori Nritya, Lavani. In Gujarat, there is dance performance called Garba, Dandiya, and also cooking is also an art. In my country, cooking differs from after every 22 miles. They say language and type of cooking changes. What makes a good painting? I think good painting makes a skill behind that painting, or the color scheme used in that painting, and the main thing in the painting is the idea or the motivation through which that painting is made. The skill of painter, how he shows, or how he or she can state of mind or idea. It makes every painting has a different meaning. Like sceneries has their different beautiful. They give you beautiful kind of illustrations, and in human painting they are mostly realistic. Uh, do you think children should study art at school? Yes, of course. Art is kind of relaxation which we can give to children, and art is one of the essential skill to uh, to implement in your child. You can improve your child's behavior, or you can give him morals and change his beliefs, and distract his mind to good things with using art. Art speaks a lot of things, like it represents your culture, and most of time it represents what you are, what you think. So it can always help a child to bring while bringing up, and it decides the the study of like culture and cultural things. Art has changed and evolved a lot in this my country. In India, for in earlier times, a lot of things, like it represent your culture, and most of time it represents what you are, what you think. So it can always help a child to bring while bringing up, and it decides the the study of like culture and cultural things. Art has changed and evolved a lot in this my country. In India, For in earlier times, no one used people used to give a lot of importance to music, to dance, but not professionally. Not all people used to choose art as a professional, but now, as people have changed their minds, there is adaptation of new and modern society. They are accepting and embracing art as a profession, and it is one of the best language. Now it is considered as a best language to speak your thoughts and ideas.